Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use Gemini 2.0 to streamline and manage your online accounts effortlessly. Whether you're juggling multiple accounts or looking for a secure way to store passwords, Gemini 2.0 has got you covered. First of all, let's dive in. First, download or install the Gemini app. So we're gonna go ahead to our App Store or Google Play, right? Download the app compatible with your device and then follow along to download it. In your case, if you're using App Store or Google Play, just head to download the app. And after you download it, what you're gonna do, you're gonna sign up or log in with your account, with your Google account, if you already have one. If you don't, it's a simple step. It's not gonna take more than a minute. All right. And then what you're gonna do, you can go ahead and click your avatar icon at the top right. You can go ahead to the settings. You can see right here your public links, and basically you're gonna be able to see the Gemini right here, right? And you can click your avatar icon at the top right, click manage your account, right? And we're gonna go ahead to the data and privacy, right? And we're gonna scroll a little bit down, until, or search for here two-factor authentication or two-step verification, right? And you'll be redirected to the settings, right? So I'm gonna choose my password and I'm gonna get back to you. As you can see right here, the two-step verification, you can add your phone number, and you can add the phone number and how would you like them to verify that this is you. You can use a voice message, a voice call, or a text message to send you that code. And after you verify your phone number, they're gonna ask you for your phone number so you can be verified that no one will be able to access your account without a verification, right? Now, another way to basically streamline your and manage your online account, and by adding your account, you're already gonna be able to import your existing account if you download the Gmail or any other Google related app, because they're linked. So you can click your avatar and click the arrow thing next to the email. You're gonna see your account on YouTube or Google Calendar, whatever that might be. You're gonna be able to see that they imported that account automatically because it's linked to the Google. So next, simplify account management. Make sure that you add or autofill a feature, enable the autofill password in your device. And the way to do that, you could go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, and then what you're gonna do, go ahead and look up password, right? You can go ahead right here and click allow automatic passkey, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see the password, and you're gonna see allow automatic passkey upgrade, and you're gonna see right here the view autofill settings. Go ahead to the view and make sure that you allow the autofill from passwords. That includes every password you saved inside the password. So make sure that you allow that, right? Autofill passwords and passkeys so you can have a smooth registration, okay? Next, what you're gonna do, download encrypted backups for offline, right? So make sure that you have your information in check. Go ahead to the Gemini, click your avatar icon at the top right, and go ahead to the settings, and you're gonna see right here your public links. Click on it, right? And then what you're gonna do, click your avatar icon again, click manage account, and search for backup. Right? Try to pin down or manage your store. You can go ahead to data and privacy if you didn't find it in the search. You're gonna see the options from here. Here, my activity, and you can see delete account or save backup or download your data. Yeah, here. So go ahead and make a copy of your data, right? And follow along the on-screen prompt to see that you're gonna be able to download from different Google platforms, the assignments, Blogger, Calendar, Canvas, and many more. So if you want to download a specific data from a specific platform, you can go ahead and hit the check mark or unhit the check mark, and then you're gonna follow along to the next step, right? And they're gonna send the download link via your email, Gmail, which is very easy, or you can add to Drive. And the frequency for uploading the data, if you want it to be once or every 2 months for 1 year, and choose the file type and size. If you want it to be 4 gigabyte, 10 gigabytes, however it might be, click create export to keep your data intact, right? So next and finally, what you're gonna do, you're gonna use the online account for troubleshooting and support. Check the help center by clicking your avatar icon at the top right, and then go ahead to help right here so you can get a quick fix if there is any common issue with Gemini or any other Google platform. And that's it. With Gemini 2.0, managing your online accounts is now simpler and more secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Happy New Year, and hit the notification bell for more tips. See you next time.